How to uninstall BlockBlast app on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. So there are three different ways to uninstall BlockBlast app. One is from your home screen itself. Long press on BlockBlast app and you can select the uninstall button and to confirm tap on uninstall at bottom right corner. The next step is simply you can long press on BlockBlast, tap Add Info, and once here tap on Install and confirm by tapping OK button. And finally, you can open your Play Store and search BlockBlast and select Uninstall button and confirm the uninstallation. So these are the three different ways to uninstall BlockBlast on your Android phone. I hope this guide worked. And if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.